welcome to my channel. For all my old and new friend and subscriber, a warm welcome to you. I hug you all. So how are you guys doing today? Today I'm bringing you this beautiful and amazing recipes, which is coconut chicken. So without much ado, let's go. Let me show you the recipe, the ingredient that I have for this dish. Okay, so what I have for you today is I have my coconut oil, coconut milk, I have some onion, salt, cumin powder, parsley powder, grounded ginger. I have some red pepper, cayenne pepper. I have some seasoned chicken here. If you want to know how I season it, I just put some onion powder, ginger powder, and garlic powder with a little bit of poultry seasoning and mix them all together. No salt because my poultry seasoning have a lot of salt. So here I have some chopped tomato, some chopped mushroom, the white mushroom, a little bit of curry powder, and some paprika powder. So let's go. So first of all, I'll be adding my coconut oil. And next thing will be the onion. I can smell the freshness of the coconut oil already. So I will leave the onion fry a little bit until it gets a little bit translucent, and I'll go ahead and add the other ingredients to it. So as the onion is getting translucent, I'm adding now the red pepper, and I'll add a jalapeno. This is a jalapeno, not a green pepper, guys. I'm using jalapeno instead of green pepper to have a little bit of that heat there, because I need the heat. Okay, so I will leave it cook for a couple seconds, at least 45 seconds, and I'll go ahead and proceed for the next step. Okay, the next thing will be the shredded ginger, now go ahead and add some garlic powder. Guys, you can chop your garlic. So this, for me right now, I don't know if it's laziness or what. I didn't chop my garlic, so I'm using the powder one instead. So this is my powder ginger there. I'm adding on top of it. As you guys know, if you are on this channel for a while now, you should know how I like my food or my meat seasoned. I like them really seasoned. So now I'll be adding the curry and the paprika now, and this is my cumin and some parsley. I'll mix them well, and I'll go ahead and add my mushroom. Sorry guys, you can hear my kid making some noise there. Yep. So now I'll be adding my mushroom, but for the mushroom, this is optional guys. If you want, you can add the mushroom. If you are not a fan of mushroom, you can leave it. As for me, I like this recipe with some mushroom. I have this tomato. I will take it away. So I think I need a little bit more of oil. To help this mushroom and all the seasoning combine very well. And now I'll be adding the seasoned chicken, and I'll stir it very well. Guys, as you can see till now, I didn't add my salt yet because I'm waiting for the chicken to get combined with all the seasoning, because the chicken has some salt. So yeah, so as you can see now, the chicken is well combined with all the seasoning. I am sure it absorbs all the seasoning inside of it. So guys, I don't want to tell you. You guys just imagine the flavor, the smell in this kitchen right now. The smell is something else. The smell is amazing. So right now, I'll just go ahead and add my coconut milk, which is gonna help the, so yeah, it's gonna help the chicken cook. So yeah, this is it. So right now I am going to cover this. I'll cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes, okay? Guys, the smell is amazing. So now I'll go ahead and taste this to see how much salt I will be adding to it, okay? Alright guys, so I'm adding this much salt, about a teaspoon. Now I can see my chicken is well cooked, same as the mushroom. And you don't want your mushroom to be that much cooked, or else it gets mushy and nasty in the mouth. So now I will be adding tomato. And now I will lower the heat, or if you want, you can turn up the heat and just cover this for 1 minute, and voila, food is ready. Okay, guys, I want you guys to give me some suggestion of what you guys can eat this with. Okay, I want you guys idea, you guys suggesting. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. For all my new people here, thank you for coming. God bless you. Much love to you, and I will see you the next time. Be blessed and stay blessed. Okay, all right, my people, this is it. This is all about my coconut chicken recipe. So this is my tasting time. I'm going to taste this with my taco, so let's go and see. Okay, this is my taco. This is so soft. Now I'm gonna take a piece of it and dig it into the guys. With this one, even you can take a microphone calling me, I'm not hearing you. This one is the best, guys. Let's enjoy. Guys, let me say goodbye to you guys. Okay, okay, thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you. You guys stay blessed. I will see you the next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your loved one. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.